time for our weekly speaker spot. Each week, a member gets 8 minutes to share with the group further insights into their business or enlighten the group a little bit more about themselves. Members can also use this time to problem solve or seek assistance and advice from the group as a collective. The time is yours to use as you wish. Oh, you do have, I was going to ask, where's your crown? But yes, seeing as you've got your crown on, I can throw over to you. Misty, do you have some more information for us on this part?
Today we have at Business at Breakfast, at the 10 a.m. Business at Breakfast, we have the wonderful Marijana Jovanovic. Marijana Jovanovic lives in Auckland, New Zealand, and she is a naturopath, medical herbalist, nutritionist and energy healer who helps people around the world suffering from chronic stress, anxiety and depression. Marijana's mission is to share and inspire how to use the healing power of nature for balancing physical, emotional and spiritual health. She works with clients who look for natural solutions for management and the reduction of anxiety. She works with clients who look for natural solutions to manage and reduce anxiety, depression and chronic stress. And Marijana can be found, she's got a website called Change Naturopathy. She's on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and she also has a YouTube channel. So with that, Marijana, you've got up to 8 minutes to tell us more about you. At the 8-minute mark, I'll do this, and it's up to you to wrap it up, but I won't jump in the middle and cut you off. And there'll be time for questions. If you don't take the full 8 minutes, that's okay. We just have more time for questions. And with that, you can take it away.
Hey, thank you, Misty. So, hi, everyone. I'm Marijana Jovanovic from Change Naturopathy, and I'm naturopath, medical herbalist, nutritionist, and neo-shamanic energy healer. I sell naturopathic consultation that starts from $190. I do provide naturopathic consultation and support to people who suffer from chronic stress, anxiety, and depression. People with anxiety and depression often first seek out help from medical doctor as a treatment. They receive pharmaceutical medications like antidepressants that usually help, but they have many side effects. So I offer a natural, non-invasive solution for management and reduction of stress, anxiety, and depression. Supporting people to make a change in their life, it's a big part of my job. As you might have experienced, any type of change is very difficult to initiate and carry on. Physical, mental, and emotional health are the foundations of happy life. When you are sick or suffering from any kind of disease, it can be difficult to stay focused in now. Our minds, bodies, spirit are connected as one. You have to take your life in balanced way, or everything else will suffer. Once you balance and achieve optimal wellness, you will achieve the state of mind that allow you to manifest abundance in all areas in your life. That could mean that you can again plan big and realize your goals and achieve them. My initial consultations are 1.5 hours long, and that could be online or in person if you're here in Auckland, New Zealand. Longer consultation time provides safe space for people to share different aspects of their life, like a diet, a lifestyle, social life, family life, emotional or traumatic events. So I can have a full picture to assess person in front of me and prepare individualized wellness plan. I also help people with digestive issues like a pain, bloating, IBS, reflux, perimenopause, and menopause. If you have any questions for me, I'm happy to answer.
Thank you very much, Marijana. Do we have any questions at all, people?
How much was it again for a consultation?
Naturopathic consultation starts from $190. Yeah.
Okay, and approximately how long is that consultation?
It's 1.5 hours, so 90 minutes.
90 minutes. And do we have to be in New Zealand, like with you, or can you do them online as well?
So yeah, I said online could
That's
be in
right.
person.
I
if
just
you're
missed
here.
that part. That was all.
You're busy writing
Yeah,
notes.
that's all right.
I was writing notes and then missed bits, and I've gone, no. Sometimes even I need to hear it twice. Thank you, Mariana.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Christina.
I don't have a question a lot for Mariana, but what I wanted to share that I met Mariana maybe for now 3 years ago. I'm not
Nice.
sure, but we met online, and she's exactly from my country. I didn't know, but I met her in some on Facebook groups, and I was so happy because of that. And we started doing together because I'm her client, and I'm super happy with Naturopath. She done for me amazing plan and also healing. So I just wanted to share with you my as a testimonial. I don't have a lot of question for her, but because of my night, because I mostly work over the night in my time, which is not normal for some reason. I know that I have awareness, but I still do it. And she helped me a lot. So if you have any questions, I'm super for Mariana, she could help you. Maybe just if you have everything what she said, she will help you in terms as she helped me. Thank you.
Thank you, Christina.
Thank you so much, Christina. Shanley, you've got a question?
Thanks, Joe. Yeah, Mariana, that was a really great presentation. So thank you. And I really love the way you encompass the body, mind, and spirit as a real holistic form of healing. So I was just wondering, what type of modalities do you use on the spiritual side of things?
Are you? Sorry.
Yeah, I meant like, do you is it Reiki or kinesiology or what sort of modalities are you using in that aspect?
Yeah, so that's called shamanic energy healing, and what we are looking at basically to achieve there is to balance your energetic field, your aura, and your 7 chakras. So the energy coming in and out of your body through those chakras and through 7 fields of your aura. That's in general explained. So more information. Yeah.
And what country does that originate from, shamanic healing? I've not heard of it before.
Shamanic healing doesn't have really a specific country of origin. The healing which I provide, I was studied with somebody here from New Zealand who really called that neo-shamanic healing, what he modulated really for today's life, for the clients and people for, in today. Yeah.
Yeah, great. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shanley. Linda Joy, you've got a question.
Yes, Mariana, you are speaking my language. We are on the same path, and for over 30 years, I've been doing very similar work, and I worked with a naturopath over 20 years ago for 10 years. So I love the herbal medicine and as well as everything mind, body, spirit. So in regards to, and actually, Shanley asked a question about the energy healing. I was also curious, do you do it in person or online, and which modalities? And then also in your naturopathy, what do you do? Blood work? Do you do hair analysis? Do you, what things do you do in order to diagnose and then correct what's happening in your body? Because there's hundreds of different modalities out there, and every naturopath kind of has their own groove. So as well as the different machines and things or devices that you can use. So and it's also different online and offline.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, for the energy healing, I do distance energy healings. Yeah, definitely, and because distance or in person, you assessing and assessing somebody's energy field. It's the same if somebody's here or distant. So doing the balancing of chakras, restructuring of chakras, clearing the so-called mucus in miasma, what is energetic mucus in miasma from the organs and the fields, reducing the stress and balancing that HP excess, clearing up meridians, and many, many more, whatever comes up in that point for that energy healing consultation for that person, because I also in contact and channeling from my guides and the guides of the client who receiving the healing. In regards to naturopathy, I of course use many of those tools. Functional testing is one of the tools, and there's a range what I use. Stool test, hair test, many others, and of course the results of the blood test. Together with that case take for the intake for that initial consultation and the research behind that, and then I provide that individualized wellness plan. I'm focusing usually to find underlying cause of somebody's health issue, and usually focusing first point of view that I want to assess is the gut health, because everything coming from the gut health, where is our immune system also, it's connected to other parts of the body, like a brain, skin, etc. So I hope I answer your question.
Absolutely. Yeah, the gut and brain are very much connected. Do you work with the DNA?
You mean, do I use the functional testing for DNA?
No, the actual, like the energy healing and
Yes,
working
yes.
with the...
From the energy healing point, yeah. Also, yes, again,
Good. We'll have to do a one-to-one.
Yeah, definitely.
A lot of overlap there. Good. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for your question. Thank you.